For smoke baths, the plant material has to be dried first. So when preparing the plants to dry, I'm just facing them all in one direction, and then I'm tying them at the ends, and they're gonna be hanging like this to dry. And so I am not creating smoke medicine sticks, which you may be familiar with, where they're all kind of like bundled up together. For the smoke baths, I'm actually going to be placing all of the plant material at once onto hot coals because we're creating a lot of smoke. It's a bath, like an all immersive thing. So the point is to create as much smoke as possible. So that's what I'm preparing these for. When using charcoal for smoke medicine, your heat safe container can still get really hot. So for extra heat insulation, you can add small pebbles or sand. And this is the kind of charcoal I'm going to be using. It's hookah coal, so it's smaller tablets, which is nice for this purpose. So you may be able to see, but there's like a divot on one side, so that's the side you want up. I know there's already quite a few people who know how to burn charcoal incense, but I feel like that's kind of the point, that this doesn't have to be hard. Just need to see somebody else doing it, and then it's like, oh, I can do that. So for the smoke baths on Saturday, I'm going to be filling the entire bottom of this with charcoal and then dumping a ton of dried plant matter on top for the smoke baths. And then for that, I'm actually going to be like wrapping people in blankets, and then they're going to have the smoke like filling the blankets and like all themselves. So that's a little bit more dramatic than what's happening here right now, but this is just